So guys, I took this sell trade on Boom 300 index and you just moving in profit now. The sales still expected, more sales expected on this index. So what was my market analysis on this index? This signal was shared as well. So I'm looking out for long-term sales on Boom 300 index. So why did I predict these sales? I was able to get this sell view on this index. So I went to the weekly time frame as always do. Whenever I want to look at for trade opportunities and stuff on the high time frame, it can be the monthly time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, it can be the daily time frame. So here, start from the weekly time frame on Boom 300 index, and you can see that we got this overall market direction. This index has been bearish for some time now. Since the existence of Boom 300 index is been declining, right? The highest of this index was at 11,968. That was the highest of this index, and it's currently at 894. You can see how far this index has declined in value. So it's been bearish for a very long time. So when I went to the weekly time frame, I spotted this market direction, spotted the market structure that we got. This was the previous market structure. Markets being a downtrend, trending to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows. So I identified this market structure on the weekly time frame. Next thing I do is to spot the market levels and zones, and we got this level as a level of resistance on Boom 300 index, and we got this level as well as a level of support, which price broke below, now selling to the downside. Like we got price both from as a support, the bought from as a support. There was the break and retest of this level, but you can see the retest properly on the lower time frame, like the daily time frame or the 4 time frame. So we got the retest of this level, this broken level of support on resistance, the sell to the downside, right? And we have a current level which this index formed. You may say is the lows of this index because it's been declining since its existence. So are we to get a reversal from this current price level to the upside, which we don't actually know? We have to analyze further in order to predict the next market direction. So coming to the daily time frame, we got the daily time frame levels as well, right? We got the time frame levels and zones. We have this level as a level of resistance, which price has been selling from. We got price sell from this level a couple of times on the approach of this level before it got broken, before price broke above this level, but we didn't really get a proper retest of this level of resistance that got broken, which should turn to a support here, but price failed to give the retest on it, right? So we got this level identified as a level of resistance, and we have this level as the next level of support, right? We got price buy from as a support, buy from as a support, and buy from as a support before there was a break of this identified zone. So this has been a sensitive level on this index. So after the breakout of this consolidating market, we've seen price buy to the upside for a very long time now. Market has been buying to the upside, and we got a formation at this point. These are our point of focus basically. This is the current market structure, so we should focus on market activities at this zone. So on the day time frame on this index, you can see that we got a market formation here. We got this uptrend structure, right? This little uptrend, you can see it's an ascending channel. The reversal patterns or continuation patterns, they come up whenever we want to get a reversal to the opposite direction. Like we've seen price buy to the upside, and then we got this consolidation, this ascending consolidation. This is like a choppy move. You can also call it a correction, right? This impulse correction, and we're getting the next impulsive leg to the downside. And at this point, we got a reversal pattern formation. We got price create this head and shoulders pattern formation. We got the left shoulder here. We got the head at this point, and we got the right shoulder at the zone. It's a head and shoulders pattern formation, which is a bearish reversal pattern formation. Now I'm taking my sell trade on the break of this ascending channel support level formation. So I'm taking my sells at that point. So in the 4 hour time frame, everything's looking good as well. You've seen that whenever price gets to this trend support, this ascending channel support level, the price from it, you got the first buys at this point. Guys, the second buys at this zone. The second buys at this zone. The third buys here, I would say. And we've got price buy from this level as a support. I've been getting the sells on this change resistance as well. Right, the sells here as a resistance. The sells here as well as a resistance, and we got the last sells at this zone as a resistance. So everything's moving good. So the market structure is well defined, and the sales is expected regardless of these short-term retracements and all of that. I'm still expecting the sales on this index. So after getting the breakout of this ascending channel support level, this trend support, we got price create this consolidating formation which market has been in for some time now. We actually got the breakout of this consolidation support level, and the sales expected from this zone. So I went to the 1 hour time frame and spotted this market formation properly. It's like a consolidating structure as well. You can also say it's a build up formation for the sales, like the sellers are building up their selling power to push the market further to the downside. So the sales expected on the breakout of this formation. More sales is expected from this current price level to the downside on boom 300 index. We're just getting this little retracement here, and I'm still expecting the sales, long-term sales, still expected on this index. And I'll give you guys an update on how this trade played out. So that's how I was able to get my entry on this index. Alright, so hit the like button for more trade reviews like this and market analysis. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my time viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. Chilling means a lot, guys. Let's do more and double for the my TP levels and zones are at this point. I'll be having my first TP at this zone. Basically, my first TP would be at this point, right? My second TP would be at this zone, and more sales expected on this index. I'm seeing long-term sales on boom 300 index. The market structure is looking neat and well defined, so any little buys we're getting at this point is a retracement or a corrective move. The impulsive move is expected to be a sell move. So that's it, guys. Thank you and join now for the